everyone, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying my rendition of this black and gold vignette. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration. The host is Antoinette Decorating, and her co-host is Graceful Living, and that's Dina. I've left links to their channels in my description box, as well as a link to the playlist, and I hope you will go and visit. If you're not a member of this channel, I really hope that you will consider subscribing today. And if you have a moment, please visit my other channels, DIY Design by CCW. That's where most of the items in today's video were created. And also Tablescapes by Candy. Again, thank you for watching. And if, as I say at the end of every video, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. And I'll see you in the next video.